Hey, what's up everyone? As most of you know, my girlfriend and I just bought our first house together a few months ago. The house was totally remodeled before we moved in. Inside and out looks great. But they didn't remodel the garage. As you can see, it still needs some work. And with me now being out of school and having a lot more time on my hands after work, it's time to get started on some projects. This one has been one that I've been wanting to do for a long time. I'm big into cars and motorcycles and working with my hands, and I need somewhere to work. And right now this isn't really doing it for me. There's tools and bike parts and everything just lying around. Nothing has its true home, and I want to get this thing organized. Our garage is a 1.5 car garage. It's not that big, but it's got room for my bikes. The cars we keep under the carport, so this is going to be mainly a bike garage and my workshop. Garage building videos have been the trend now on YouTube. Among a lot of the people I watch. So I'm going to jump on that bandwagon and get started on building my own garage. Let's get started. The way the weather is here in Indiana, it could be either really hot or really cold. So one thing I want to make sure this garage is well insulated, which means I want to tear down all this old crappy drywall, pull out whatever insulation may be in there, and start from scratch. But first, I do have some stuff in the way. I'm going to have to get that moved out. Okay, so you got to see this. Check out whoever's ingenious idea this was of how to make a shelf. Hung up with a couple nails, some strings, and hopes and dreams, I guess. Been wanting to take this down for a long time. Alright, so apparently my camera decided to stop recording at some point. But as you can see, I have finished this wall. There's a little bit left in the corner that I have to go. But you're probably tired of watching me take down drywall by now, and I'm pretty wore out by it as well. I think I might actually keep some of the insulation up. It's not as bad as I thought it would be. There's still areas that don't have any at all that I'll have to put some up. But if I've come this far to tear down the drywall, I might as well do the insulation as well. This garage is even more of a mess than it was before. So I'm really excited to get this project done. I'm excited to have you guys watch along with me. Next episode, hopefully I'll have more of the drywall down by then. And I'm going to tackle the lighting in here, because right now I have one light bulb for the entire garage, and that's definitely not going to help me at night when I'm working on my bikes or even on a cloudy day. I want to try to get maybe some LED strips up in here. Hopefully that will bring a lot more light, and I'm excited to keep going. If you like this video, give me a subscribe, and follow along the journey.